Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about copyright free music, that how you can get the copyright free music. If you are a content creator, if you are a freelancer, if you are a video editor and you need a copyright free audio, if you need a copyright free music, you can also get it. You can also get that. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's click on the Google Chrome. So as you can see, the Google Chrome is open. Now what we need to do, we have to search for the YouTube audio library. As you can see, has the YouTube audio library, and this is the official site where YouTube provides you the music which is copyright free. You can use it anywhere. So what we have to do, we have to open this. So I'm going to click on this, and now we have to open this into a new link. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the site is open. Now what we need to do, simply we have to play the music and check the preview, and we can download it. So as you can see here, the music, you can use it as per your need or as per your editing style. And as you can see here, you will see the artist, and here you will see the artist, and here you will see the duration of the video, and here you will see the license type, and here you will see the edit, that this when this music is added here. If you want to download this one, simply you have to click on this. If you want to download this, simply you have to click on this, and it will be downloaded automatically. As you can see, you will also get the download button here. So I'm going to play another one. So let's play this one. So as you can see, it's playing. Now if you want to download this one, then you have to click on this. So in this way, you can check the preview of the music. You can listen the music as well. Now if you want to download this, simply you have to click on this download button, or if you want to download from the here, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this, and the download process will be started. It will take few seconds in the downloading, and after that it will be completed. So in this way, you can get the copyright free music. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can get the copyright free music. So see you guys in the next video.